A killer pair of heels can make you look so much hotter. No wonder our Bollywood celebs are focusing so much on the right kind of shoes. तो अगर आप हैं थोड़े apprehensive to carry off a metallic stone-studded dress, तो फिकर not, क्योंकि आप अपने look को बना सकते हैं dressy and formal by wearing a sexy pair of heels. So, if you decide to wear a gorgeous short black dress, do not go for those boring black heels. Choose a sexy metallic shiny pair of heels. It definitely makes you look glamorous. Think different like our B-Town ladies. Hats off to Sonam Kapoor for always looking so fabulous, and she manages to look different each time. अभी तक तो हमने हमेशा फोकस किया है सोनम के unique and out-of-the-box dressing sense पर, which always does wonders for her. So, when it comes to choosing the right pair of heels, she gets it bang on right. Instead of sticking to dull black heels or matching the color of the heels to her outfit, this style diva chooses metallic heels which look very sexy. Take a look at how she teams up a shiny pair of heels with a dull colored outfit. She not only looks fitter, she also is becoming very stylish. Suzanne Roshan ने यहाँ choose किया है copper color peep-toed heels with jeans, and she does look stunning. Simple yet glamorous. We love the heels, Suzanne. Shazan Padamsee is fast becoming a familiar face since a stint opposite Ajay Devgan, और लगता है मीडिया और पब्लिक ग्लेयर रखता है शजान को always on her toes to look prim and proper, and the fact that she has great style adds to her personality. Shazan looks bewitching in this black tube dress and gorgeous golden gladiator heels. Super sexy, we say. Well, not all metallic shiny pair of heels look attractive, and this is the best example of what not to wear. Kajol's sister Tanisha's Bollywood stint did not last long, and the fact that she dresses terribly definitely does not help. She looks horrendous in these chunky, shiny heels and just cannot carry off such experimental heels. Tanisha, we say that aapko zarurat hai serious fashion help ki. Style diva Malaika Arora Khan never fails to impress with her fantastic fashion sense. We love the fact that Malaika cleverly mixes the silver blingy heels with the sexy peach dress. She looks very sexy, quite the heels we must say. So, a little bling can increase that glam quotient, but be very careful to choose the right kind of heels. Neither too chunky nor overtly dramatic. Make sure you draw all the attention for the right reasons. For Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.